Hey Broncos, it's Coach Vo, your librarian. I just wanted to go over a few things with you quickly before you come down to check out books today. Please make sure that you know your 5-digit student ID number and you have it ready when it comes time to check out books. You can check out up to 3 books, but no more than 3. Your book is due after 2 weeks. If you're really loving a book and want to renew it, you can certainly do that, but the maximum amount of time to have a book out is 2 weeks. There are no late fees. You are responsible to pay for items that are lost, damaged, or stolen. So if you lend a book to a friend and they lose it, you're going to be the one that's responsible to pay for it. So take good care of your books and items from the library. Concerns? Is this book for me? Nope. Just return it. You can return the book at the circulation desk. If you open a book and you realize it's not for you at this time, just go ahead and return it and get a new book. If you have any questions, please stop by and ask anytime. I look forward to seeing you guys soon.